Riverview might be one of the most highly sought after neighborhoods here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And so it's with that I'm so excited to share with you this home at 1911 Somerset Drive. It's got 4 bedrooms, couldn't be a more convenient location. And so have a look, let me know what you think. That was 1911 Somerset Drive here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, or maybe you want more information about marketing your own property, reach out at the number below. Can't wait to hear from you.